Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable Fidelity options trading. If you are looking to explore options trading through your Fidelity account, you will need to go through a few steps to get everything set up. Let's get started. First, log into your Fidelity account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Options. This will direct you to the Options Trading Information page, where you can find details about options trading. Next, you will need to apply for options trading if you haven't done so already. Click on the Options Trading application link. You will be asked to complete a form that gathers information about your trading experience, financial situation, and investment goals. Make sure to provide accurate information, as this will help determine your eligibility for trading options. After you submit your application, Fidelity will review your information. You should receive a notification regarding your application status within a few business days. Once approved, you will be able to enable options trading directly from your account dashboard. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available for options trading to make the most informed decisions. Happy trading!